Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you haven't done so as well. I have some super exciting giveaways coming up on there that I know you guys don't want to miss. For today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys some of my favorite brands that will make your home look more expensive, also more unique. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I always love finding new places to shop for home stuff. So I'm going to share with you guys some brands today that I absolutely love, and I know you guys will love too. As always, the links to everything that I talk about in today's video will be in the description box down below. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it. So the first place that I wanted to share with you guys that I've absolutely been loving for bedding recently is Carry Aloha. They are actually sponsoring today's video, so a huge thank you to them. They have some absolutely amazing bedding. I'm so happy that I was able to learn about their brand because their bedding is seriously so nice. Like, I literally feel like I was sleeping in a luxury hotel when I slept in these sheets for the first time. I've had them for a little while now. I really wanted to try them out and wash them a few times so I could give you guys 100% honest review, and so far they have held up so nicely. Again, they're super soft and I love that they are made with bamboo. I also love their sustainability practices as well. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about the brand right now. So I went ahead and got the bamboo linen duvet set, and it's actually a bamboo linen weave that is soft and super luxurious for sleeping. It actually has a button closure, and then it has pillow shams that came with it as well. And bamboo is one of the most sustainable, renewable resources on the planet. So that is awesome. They're very lightweight, super breathable, and they're actually moisture wicking. So they're basically going to give you the softest like bedding you will ever try. I absolutely love them. And then for the king sheet set, I did end up getting the ones that have the extra deep fitted sheets. So some things I wanted to tell you guys about the sheet set because I absolutely love it. It's a 400 thread count, and it's actually temperature regulating. So it'll keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer, which is super important to me. And it has natural moisture wicking properties. All right, so I definitely wanted to share that bedding with you guys first, just because I've absolutely been loving it. And I really love the combo that I picked out. As you guys can see, my bed frame is white. So I wanted to kind of give a little bit of contrast, but I truly do love white sheets. But both of the options that I got do come in different colors. So definitely check out Carry Aloha if you're in the market for any new bedding. They also do have like towels and robes and different things. So definitely check out the site if you haven't already. It's a really amazing brand that you can shop. All right, next up I want to talk about my Apotheke candles. I have absolutely been obsessed with them. Every single time I share with you guys my like large black one that I have, everyone is asking like where it's from. It is literally huge. I'm gonna show it to you guys here. It's like a really big candle, but I personally love like really large candles like this. I've actually been burning this one for over a month, and as you guys can see, not much of it is gone, so it has really nice burn time on it. I absolutely love all the fragrances that they have. It's just a super high-end, high-quality, really nice candle company. They also have this really large concrete candle, which is on my wish list, so I can't wait to get that one next. I just kind of want to use up the ones that I have right now. They've definitely been my favorite candle brand recently, so if you're in the market for some new candles, definitely check out Apotheke. I will have that linked in the description box down below as well for you guys to check out. And then sticking with home fragrance, I did want to mention this diffuser again, simply because I feel like it's very underrated. Not a ton of people have been talking about it as much, and I personally have been like loving mine. I feel like I like fell back in love with it. I love all my Vitruvi diffusers, but this Move diffuser has seriously been like so amazing. I love the fact that you just charge it up and it is completely wireless after it's charged. So you can literally move the diffuser from room to room. I just feel like it's a really good buy, especially because all you would need is this specific diffuser. You can kind of like move it from room to room. Like, I literally will have it in the bathroom, and then after I cook, I can bring it to the kitchen. Like, I've truly been like getting the most out of it. So I would definitely recommend it. I also love like how sleek it looks. And I also pair it with a lot of the Vitruvi oils. Personally, Vitruvi oils just tend to be my favorite, and I like buying from them just because I know that they're super, super high quality. So those would be like my current home fragrance options for you guys. Again, something a little bit more unique as well. All right, next I got a ton of questions about my artwork. I shared with you guys on Instagram a few new art pieces that I got, and they are actually all from Minted. Minted is one of my favorite places to shop for artwork. I feel like they have really awesome stuff. They also support a lot of artists, so it's a really great way to like discover new artists. Like the picture that I got was like by an artist, and it's actually like awesome because after I posted that, she like found that picture and she's like, oh my God, thank you so much for sharing my work. And I'm like, wow. So I looked at her stuff and she has like amazing stuff. So they do all of that work and they find really great artists that have like super awesome art pieces, and they are available on their site. So I personally love shopping on Minted for artwork just because they have a little bit of everything. They have like art, they have photography. You can get everything in like an actual like frame, or you can actually get it on a canvas. Like you have so many different options of how you can get that actual art piece. They pretty much have every single option that you would need, and then you can also even pick it in different sizes. So that I wanted to talk about because a lot of you guys were asking about where all of the artwork was from, and currently all the artwork that I have right now in here is from Minted. So definitely check them out if you're in the market for some new artwork. They have some really awesome stuff. All right, and then lastly, I have been like all over Etsy and all about Etsy lately. If you guys want me to do an entire video on like my favorite Etsy shops, let me know, because I actually made like a lot of purchases on Etsy this past month, so I could definitely do that for you guys. But in particular, I wanted to talk about a brand that I found on there called Roaming Barefoot. I actually bought something from her line and she made like the smallest mistake. So I bought the speckled white and she accidentally sent me like just like the matte white version, and I literally reached out to her and I was like, hey, you know, I accidentally got the wrong one. And she literally was like, oh, I'm so sorry, like I feel so bad, like don't worry about it. Keep the one that you have and I'll send you the right one. And I was like, what? That was like so nice of her. And I know like that's not always easy for like smaller businesses to do. So I just wanted to give her a huge shout out, because like I literally already was like not even like too worried about the fact that I got the wrong one, but the fact that she let me keep that one and sent me the other one, and it's worked out perfectly because I actually have both of them hanging up and I really love them. So if you guys are in the market for some like cool, unique home decor like ceramics, definitely check out her shop. I will link it down below exactly what I got because she has a few left, but she has some super awesome stuff, amazing customer service, so I definitely wanted to give her a shout out in this video. All right, so those are all the brands that I wanted to share with you guys in today's video, but I have a ton more brands that I could talk about, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see more of these videos. Also, as always, if you enjoy this, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!